welcome back to our channel.
Okay. So
Today's video, we are going to do what?
we are going to read a comment, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna read a comment from our friends who have been like supporting us, the good ones and the bad ones.
Bad
Achilles,
comments too, because we say we love you all.
call you amores. Anyway, so yeah.
Let's get it. That was a quick transition. Pretty, you know I'm saying that, my God, lady. Now we're all pretty,
We're crazy.
getting ready to,
Okay.
answer some of your comments or whatever. Hello, Benny.
So.
Thumbnail.
That's what we're gonna do is.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So, Tanya, what are we doing?
What are we
What are we
doing?
doing? What are we
What are we
doing?
doing, Betty? So we are going to read the comments from people who like our videos, who dislikes, and yeah.
Bad comments, good comments, everything. Ame leho tu comments tidak ada. Aku selalu tidak.
Yes.
Dia aku sambil leho tu pada
Sing.
corona ho tu I'm saying.
Yeah, let's find place. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, let's sit there. Okay, let's go to post office. So that's the post office.
Oh.
It's all found. No, let's go order first.
Dulu sih, mana?
No, so I don't.
YouTubers kiat.
Okay. Wait.
Hi guys.
So the first comments from Piki Neto, they have, oh, it's in English. I just look focused directly to the middle one. You do better reaction. Woo! Yeah. Thank you, Piki Neto.
Thanks.
Is it Piki or Piki? Piki?
I mean it's Piki.
Piki.
I don't know.
Piki. You wanna see it?
Thanks.
Okay,
Show me this.
so-
That's it.
And was I don't know MLX Lelo say Hare Koisted. How do you say that?
Langsung lah hint.
Oh my God! No, look at that. Hare Koisted. This is teeth. This is boobs. Really? Oh. Hare. How do you know?
Hari anu sa buat pe ni.
Langsung
Buat
lah
pe
hint.
yang ni. Half of
Wow.
it ni hari ho tu ga capek deh.
MLX Lelo.
Anyway, thanks.
But thanks though.
Thanks for the subs.